Cybertruck, Phil.
We are, Scott, and we don't know which models were delivered. My guess is these were the highest of the high-end models, the Cyber Beast, which starts at $96,390. Now, we don't know if those are the ones that were delivered today, but that would be my guess that those are the models that were there. And then you've got next up in the mid-level, you've got all-wheel drive those deliveries start next year at $68,890, and then finally starting in 2025, the base model, and this is the pricing now. Let's see if this is still the pricing in 2025 at $49,890. This is probably in line with what most people were expecting. And again, Scott, nobody ever thought that we would see the Cybertruck start at $39,000, which is way back in the day what Elon Musk said, hey, the single motor will be $39,000. And again, this is before the $7,500 federal tax credit. So you'll be able to take that off with these vehicles. But there you go. There's the pricing, anywhere between $49,900 and $96,300.
What does an F-150 go for? I'm just curious. I don't know the answer to that question, but you
can trick
do.
out an F-150. You can trick out an F-150. Look, most F-150s sell for above $50,000. I don't know where the base one starts at, but they start for well over. Most people are buying an F-150 for over $50,000, probably $55,000, something in that range there. And if you really want to trick out an F-150 or a Chevy Silverado, you can do that. There are trim versions where you can really drive the price up higher. This $96,300, that's what a lot of people thought we would see for the Cyber Beast, the top-end model.
Got it, Phil. Appreciate it very much. Once again, Phil LeBeau.
If you're a Tesla investor or basically anyone interested in investing in Tesla, then this one's for you. Tesla stock is about to take a massive jump, and only those who've bought shares on the automaker can benefit from the upside of this.
Yeah, and we publish it every quarter. You could see that in the third quarter, EV adoption globally is at 12%, and in the fourth quarter, it's growing nicely. So could you say the growth has slowed? Yeah, it's slowed, but it's not going down. And as long as you continue to see, as you've seen in Norway, as you've seen in the Netherlands, as you've seen in China, as long as EV adoption grows from, again, do the math, 12% globally to 60%, and that's our forecast, but others have forecasts that are similar, between now and 2030, you're going to get 35% volume growth. And then the question is, how much is pricing going to come down by?
In this video, we're going to explore some of the current Tesla money printers, as well as the latest updates from this leading automaker. Tesla also faces many challenges and uncertainties, like increasing competition, regulatory hurdles, and volatile customer demand. But despite all of this, it still has a very bullish outlook. Think about it, Tesla is one of the most formidable companies in the industry, and the best in the EV space. If anyone wants to make a fortune from investing in this auto company, don't you think that Tesla should be that company? Tesla is the only auto company right now that could potentially multiple investors' capitals in only a few years. If you doubt that, then listen to this.
It's time for our cash tag segment. For that, let's bring in Landon Swan. He's a co-founder at Likefolio. Welcome back to the show, Landon.
Hey, thank you. Good to be here.
All right, so we're talking Tesla, one of your favorites, and yours and Andy's favorite, rebounding about 17–18% so far this month. It's had a good run, but it was disappointing earnings last quarter. You guys seeing any data out there that kind of justifies this move back higher?
Yeah, actually, you know what? We're seeing a lot of pretty strong data out of Tesla. This is one, as you alluded to, that we've been bullish on for quite some time, going back years, frankly. But we've been in and out of it, I guess, as an analyst. But overall, very bullish on Tesla. And some of the reasons that we're seeing that are, the data that can back it up are the mentions are up about 7% on a year-over-year basis. Most of that is actually fueled by the Model X and the Model Y, with, of course, the Cybertruck contributing a lot of buzz lately. So we're seeing, strong uptick in mentions on a year-over-year basis, just a slight uptick actually, but it's starting to move very strong. And then when we get to the web visits, it's very strong. It's about 62% on a year-over-year basis. So a lot more interest on Tesla.com. Obviously, that's where you would go before you buy. You're thinking about buying, you're checking it out. And I think a lot of that has to do with and not only the buzz and the quality of the vehicles, but also the price. I mean, they have decreased the price by about 25% on a year-over-year basis, where almost every other car manufacturer is up on a year-over-year basis. Everything is getting more expensive in the U.S. except for Tesla cars. And so
Tesla stock is a safe stock because it's got a strong competitive advantage in the EV market. It's also got a good business model that supports its mission to accelerate a transition towards sustainable energy. Owing to the most advanced battery technology, the largest charging network, and the most innovative software features that give it an edge over the competition, Tesla holds a dominant position in the EV market, and it won't be long before this starts reflecting on its stock price. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla's mission statement is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and selling large numbers of EVs is one of those keys to fulfilling the mission. Interestingly, Tesla's plans don't end there. In the future, the automaker plans to become a far more substantial player in the energy and AI economy, and this makes Tesla a strong stock to bet on in the future. As a leader in the industry, Tesla enjoys an early mover advantage and offers leading technologies within its cars. Having enjoyed exceptional success over the years, Tesla has easily navigated through the market and has gone from delivering thousands of cars in 2019 to close to 2 million in 2022. For that reason, we think Tesla's going to continue to grow with strong momentum for at least a couple of years now. So what is the latest interesting upside about Tesla stock and investing in it? Let's find out. But before we do, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Some argue that Tesla is still the leader in the EV industry, and it has a much more diversified and profitable business model, including not only vehicles but also solar panels, batteries, and software. Others contend that Tesla's competitors, especially startups, have more potential upsides, as they are still in the early stages of growth and have a huge potential to capture the lucrative commercial and adventure markets. Some even argue that these companies have a strong balance sheet and a more focused and disciplined strategy. What they fail to understand is that even in the years to come, these companies will be nowhere near Tesla. Think about it, Tesla is one of the most popular and profitable and innovative vehicle companies in the world, and it revolutionized the auto industry with cutting-edge tech, design, and performance. Even Tesla's stock has been a phenomenal investment over the years, and it still proves to be profitable in the years to come. Tesla's environmental impact is among the most positive and significant in the industry, as evidenced by its emissions, savings, and benefits. The automaker has been a champion and a catalyst for the transition towards clean and renewable energy, and its mission is to reduce the global dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change. Intuitively, this makes sense because environmentally conscientious consumers who buy new EVs will want to charge them in a sustainable fashion. This will drive up demand for Tesla's clean energy and storage solutions. And since some analysts believe Tesla has already got the world's best battery technology, the company will have a significant head start in the race towards supplying its batteries that are going to power residential homes and EVs. Tesla's been working on a fully driven technology for years, and it aims to roll out robotaxis very soon. Many believe that Tesla can become the largest company in the world from this, and even ARK Invest has a price target of $2,000 in 2027 for Tesla stock. Another factor that could explain Tesla's high valuation and growth potential is its AI capabilities. Tesla is not only an EV company but also an AI company, as it leverages machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing in order to enhance its products and services. Tesla's AI applications include its autopilot system enabling semi-autonomous driving, its FSD software aiming to achieve fully autonomous driving, and its Dojo supercomputer, which is designed to train and optimize its neural networks. Tesla's AI efforts have made it one of the most advanced and innovative companies in the world and have given it a competitive edge over its rivals. Tesla's AI also creates new revenue streams and opportunities for the company, like selling its FSD software as a subscription service, licensing its AI technology to other automakers, and entering new markets like robotics and biotechnology. However, Tesla's AI also comes with some risks and challenges, like regulatory uncertainty, ethical dilemmas, and technological difficulties. Tesla's AI is not perfect, and it still requires human intervention and supervision. Tesla's AI may also face backlash from consumers, regulators, and competitors, who may question its safety, reliability, and legality. Therefore, Tesla's AI growth is a double-edged sword, as it could propel the company to new heights of success or expose it to new threats and liabilities. Tesla is a highly rated EV company with a strong potential to dominate the industry in the future. With proper execution, the company is likely to achieve most of its planned projects, all of which can see the stock price skyrocketing in the future. Overall, Tesla stock is a safe stock because it's got a solid competitive edge in the EV market, a visionary leader with Elon Musk, and a loyal customer base that supports its mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. And while the stock may face risks and challenges, such as regulatory uncertainty, production bottlenecks, high valuation, and increasing competition, at the end of the day, Tesla is still performing better than other makers in the industry, and it's got the potential to grow in the coming years too. But what do you think? Let us know down below, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.